Stay in the help. Up. Gotta slide over. Hey! Get on him, get on him. There you go, Jaya. Cut! James, you gotta go to the ball. Box out first. Come on, Parker, take it up. Go, Davida, go, Davida! Johnny's gonna want the ball. Set a screen. Take it. Go left. He's gonna give you left, take the left, go. Roll into it. Oh, come on. Here, take it. Go. Come on. Cut. Cut down. Open the lanes. There you go, Jameson. Come on. Up. There you go. Get back. Help, help, help. You gotta slide over. Don't lose the guy.
Watch the screens. Call him out.
Back screen, Oliver. Hey, switch. Switch. Slide over, slide over. Just get up to the ball. Just get up to the ball. Go, go. If they're gonna give you the lane, take it. Follow it up. Jameson, stop ball. Box out first. Go, if they're gonna give you the lane, take it. Bounce pass, bounce pass. Hey, don't throw over. Bounce pass, okay? Talk on the switches. Out, there we go. Be available. Go, give him a corner. There you go. Oh. Forcing. Get it, get Oliver, come on. Go. Slow, 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 reset, reset, reset.
Call the new ones. Call them out. Jameson, set a screen. Jameson, set a screen. Set a screen.
Don't dribble.
Set a screen. Set a screen. Get somebody open. Hey, spread it out. Good.
Go, you got it. Jaya's open.
Come to it.
You guys gotta. Go. Cut down. Get it, get it, get it. You guys gotta want it. Get down. There we go. Get it. Good hustle. There we go. Help her out. Follow it up. Come on, guys. Come on, hustle back. Hustle back. Get him over. Come on, up. Box out first.
Help.
He's good. Give him. Don't pick up. Go. There we go. Get back. Get back. Get back. Close out.
Move. Get somebody.
Guys, come on.
Get somebody open. There you go. There you go, Parker. Good screen. Keep doing that.
Ciao, Davina. There you go, Parker. Come on, Jaya. Good job, Parker. Pick up wide. Get that. Oh. Box out. Box him out. Box him out first.
Find the body, let's go.
Go. Go, sprint. Let's go, boy.
There you go. It's okay, Parker.
Next shot, Parker.
Go get all of it. All of it, go.
Slide over, slide over. Stay in front. Push him to the help. Box him out, box him out. Box him out.
Got one for the shooter. So, okay. One shot live, one shot.
Good box.
Good box out. Let's go. Take it, Jackson. Get the ball. Come on. Stop the ball. Turn around.
Good defense. Good work.
Keep up the pressure. Let's go. Let's go, Jamie.
Yes, there it is.
Come on, Jackson. Shot. Hustle back. Hustle back. Let's go. Good job. Let's go. Good job, Oliver. Let's go. Come on. Take it up. Help him out. Come back. Go, Jackson. Good look. Oh, come on, Parker. Shoot. Cut. Cut. Let's go, Parker. Hey, pick up ball. Come on. Hey, good job, Jackson. Help him out. Help him out. Let's go.
Go get it.
Get that, Jay. Come on. You gotta grab it. Oh, come on, Oliver. Take care of the ball. Slide over.
Before the shot, you got to hit on the elbow. We're going to go in line before the shot. On the shot.
Watch the screen. It's called.
Watch the back screen. Watch the back screen. Cut through. Help him out. Help him out. Go.
It's okay.
Front him, Oliver. Front him. Deny the ball. There we go, Oliver.
Here comes the screen.
Watch the back screen.
Help, ready, help.
Help, slide over. Head up, let's go. Stop following the... Oh, it's rushing.
Stop the ball. Turn around and stop the ball.
Stay in front. Lava ball. Oh, for the game.
Oh, yeah. Look out.
Shot. Let's go. Hey, trap, come on. Cut it off, cut it off. Get back, get back. Close out. He's got no dribbles, come on. Box him out first. Grab it. That's all right, good hustle. Good hustle, let's go. Parker, you good? Hey, Parker, just get it back. You got this, come on.
Right here, sir. Here you go. One.
You're guarding.
Get on him. Get on him. Don't let him do whatever he wants. Get on him. You gotta slide over sooner.
Jaya, fight. Jaya, fight through that screen. Don't get stuck. Fight through it. Okay? Get through that screen. Hold on.
Hey, you good? Hey, Oliver, head up. You good? Oh. Come on, get. Hey, don't stop playing. Let's go. Close out.
Set a screen for someone.
Get out. All the way through. Don't come. You see, Oliver, you see the pass and cut through, right? And then you got to come back and recircle it, right? Make everyone move. You got to be able to shift around. Everyone's standing still right now, watching. Hey, let's encourage our guys. Back door. There you go, Jaya. Cover up. Give him a screen. Go, Jackson, towards the basket. Let's go, Parker, next shot.
There you go.
Come on, Parker. There you go, Parker. Go. Who wants it more? Let's go. Be strong with it. Jaya, strong passes. You got this. Strong. Close out, Davina. No.
Ready to go.
Call the screen. Box him out. There you go, Jackson. Go. Go. Oh. Play through. Come on. Who wants it?
Get a screen. Go, 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 go.
Don't do it. Look for seams. Cut through all the way. All the way. Relocate right there. There we go. Good job, Jackson. Get him. Get him. Right there. Giant, that's you. Oh. Oliver up.
Ready to box out. Too late.
Too late, too late, too late.
It's okay. Don't worry about it. Go get the ball. Go get the ball, Oliver. Go get the ball. Go, go, go. Head up, head up, head up. Good. Good.
Swing up. There we go. Go, 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 go. There you go, Jameson. Oh, good look, good look.
Good take.
Hey, good take, Jameson. It's good. Yeah.
Ready to go, Beamer? Next one.
Rebound, box out.
You ready? Jive, you ready? Nice. Drop.
Cover down, cover down. There you go, Jameson. Way to be there. Let's go. Good screen. Let's go. Go. Over. Come back, get him. Go through. Let's go, Jaya, right there.
Get back. Come on, Jaya.
Come on, Jackson. Slide over. Oh. Hey, good pressure, Lava. Let's go. Give it.
Yeah.
Good shot. Let's go. Keep it up. Hey, open shot. Let's go. Watch the back. Good job, Jaya.
Get over it. Block out. Good job, Ace.
There we go, Jameson. Let's go. There you go, Jameson. V-cut. Over the back. Davina. Go. Come in this way. Watch your back. Give him an outlet. right, P. Let's go. Take
Good screen.
shot. Oh.
Attack him. Attack.
Come on, Davina. Push them towards the help side.
Watch the screens. They're coming.
Go through, Davina.
Go.
Come on, Davina. Let's go.
Wait till you get up the floor.
Step up. Dude.
Go who you got, guys. Come on, come out. Who you got?
Watch the back.
Come to the screen.
Watch the back screen. There you go, Jaya. Good job. Press them. Slide over. Oh.
Go, try help.
Create. Come on. Cut through, cut through, cut through. Pull it all the way. There we go. Let's get some motion. Swing. You got it. Jackson, keep. Right there. Oh. Give him a screen.
Come on, set the screen. Set the screen, guys.
Four wide. Two shots.
Let's go, P. There you go. Who's got ball? Switch. Good job, Parker. Go. Come on. You gotta want the ball. Let's go. Follow up. Nice position. Oh, Parker. Next shot, Parker. Get that, get that. There you go, Davina. Shot right there. Get that. Come on, fight for it. Fight for it. Who wants it? There you go, Jameson. Good job, Jameson.
Ball coming in, ball coming in.
Get him. Come on, come on. Don't give him. There we go. Let's go. Hey.
Wait. 15, you got it. No, wait. The ball is
Sure, let's go.
right here, Black. Hold the ball.
Let's go, P. Nice. Good job, Davina. Hey, good job, Davina. Let's go. Hey, same. Oliver up. Oliver up. Up. Trap. Cut it off. There we go. That pressure right there. Let's go. Make them make the plays. Let's go. Jackson, let's go. Cut through, cut through, cut through. Too many people. Let's go, Jackson. Let's go, Jackson. Up. Cut off ball. Oliver. Trap. Death. Recover, recover. Oh.
Got the basket. Black 8.
That's a tough one. He's too big.
That's a big boy.
Really bounce off him. Move him.
It'd be a hypocrite if I told him to take a charge. Bigger!
Cover up. Come on, defense. Rip it, rip it. There you go. Davina, you got this, Davina. Hey, good throw. Good pass. There you go, Pete. Yeah! Foul! There we go, Parker. You gotta stop partying, girl. Get that, guys. Get that. Come on. Come on. Trap him. Trap him. Trap him. Up. There we go. Come on. Make it. Make them make the plays. Come on. There you go, Jackson. Go, Jackson. Run with him. Behind you. Shot. Right there. Let's go. Hey, up. Up. Pressure up. Close it. Trap. Ah. Look, they're sending everyone. Someone's through. Go through. Go through. There you go. All the way.
There you go. Nice, Jackson.
Swing the ball. Oliver, cut back down. Put. Come on, guys. Move with the purpose. There we go, right there. Oh. There you go, Jaya. There we go, Jaya.
Let's go, Jamison.
Oh, dang.
Go, get back.
Get it back, Jamison. Come on. Force them to play pace. Come on. Oh.
Come to it.
Go to the ball. Go, cut down, Oliver. Oh.
Go, head up.
Rebound.
Hustle back, hustle.
Hey, stop ball. Come on. Up, hands up. Cut through. Gotta look up. Keep him on his hip. There we go.
Come to it.
Let him. D up. Up, right there. Oh. Box out. Come on. Cut that out. There you go. Force it. No, don't. Stay. Box him out. Box him out. There we go. Good job, Jaya. Good hustle, Jaya.
Go, Jack. Go.
Stop ball. Move after. Come on. Let's go, Jamison. One more.